Okay, now we will see lesson 43. In previous class we have studied that equivalent conductance and molar conductance, and we had also seen the relationship between molar conductance and specific conductivity and equivalent conductance and specific conductivity. Today we will see the unit of equivalent conductance and molar conductance. We know that equivalent conductance equal to K into 1000, that is 1000 by normality. So K into 1000 into 1 by normality. So unit of K is what? Cm inverse, Ohm inverse, and unit of 1000 equal to CMQ, and normality equal to 1 by 1 by gram equivalent. So this will be, that is, Ohm inverse into sum square into gram equivalent inverse. So this is the unit of what? This is the unit of the equivalent conductance. Okay. So equivalent conductance unit, once again we will see, that is equivalent conductance equal to K into 1000 by normality we have studied. So K into 1000 by normality. So in case of K, this is a what? Specific conductivity. The specific conductivity will be Cm ohm inverse, and unit of 1000 equal to CMQ, because what? We have taken it into Cc, and normality 1 by normality. Normality means gram equivalent, 1 by gram equivalent, that is the number of gram equivalent present in 1 liter of solutions. This is the gram equivalent. Okay, this CMQ कटिकी 2 है एठी स्क्वायर है गला. So ohm inverse सॉइल CM स्क्वायर एटा ऊपर उठी गले इनवर्स है जीवो. So ohm inverse m square gram equivalents inverse. Similarly, unit of molar conductance will be molar conductance equal to K into molar conductance equal to what? K into 1000 by molarity. So this is Cm inverse, Ohm inverse for 1000. CMQ, this is 1 by mole. So this will be, that is Ohm inverse into sum square into mole inverse. This is the molar conductance unit. So still now we have studied about your conductance, specific conductance, equivalent conductance, molar conductance, and relation between the specific conductance and equivalent conductance, specific conductance and molar conductance. Okay, and also we will see the units of the molar conductance and equivalent conductance. Okay, now we will see that is the electrolysis. Now we will see electrolysis. Electro means electric current, lysis means breakdowns. That means by the help of electric current we have to break down certain substance. We have to see, we will see what will be that substance. So first we see the definition. Electrolysis definition will be, the electrolysis is the process of dissociation माने breakdown of. So electrolysis is the process of dissociation of molten substance that may be electrolyte or aqueous solution of compound that is also electrolyte. So electrolysis is the process of dissociation of molten substance or compound or aqueous solution of compound by passing electric current in the electrolytic vessel or tank. So we have to take a vessel that is called the electrolytic vessel or tank. Within this vessel we have to take the electrolyte that may be in molten state or may be in aqueous form, and we have to be dissociate or break down that electrolyte into ions. This is called the electrolysis. Okay, we have to draw the particular figure. I will draw particular figure, and that will help you to get better understands. That is, then we have to write the principle of electrolysis. In the electrolysis process, when current is passed through the electrolyte aqueous form, it dissociate into ions, into cations and anions. Cation is positive, this is negative. When current is passed through the electrolyte aqueous form, it dissociates into cation and anion and moves towards their respective electrode. This will be better understood after drawing the diagram or figure. Okay, first you have to understand what is the principle of electrolysis. When current is passed through the electrolyte, that is electrolyte in aqueous form, it dissociate. It means electrolyte will dissociate into ions. ता माने जदि current को हमें पास करिबा electrolyte थ्रू रे, ए electrolyte aqueous form रे थिबो, solution form रे थिबो, कोउटी electrolytic tank रे, तेबे electrolyte ता भांगी जीवो, भांगी के cation और anion रे परिणत हो जीवो, एंड से cation anion गुडा गति करिवे कि आडकू ना ताको इलेक्ट्रोड आडकू गति करिवे. इलेक्ट्रोड ता कोन? Electrode. What is electrode? Electrode, this is the metal plate which dipped in the electrolytic solution in electrolytic vessel which conduct electricity. That means what is electrode? Electrode is the metal plate which is dipped in the electrolytic solution in electrolytic vessel which conduct electricity. Suppose we have taken the electrolytic tank. Suppose this is the electrolytic tank, and suppose we have taken the electrode. This is the metal plate. Suppose this electrolytic tank contains some aqueous solutions of electrolyte. Suppose this is the electrolytic solution sepai aqueous kauche. Suppose these two electrodes connected through a battery. When current pass through this electrode, so current passed from one electrode to electrolyte. Current will comes from the battery to electrode able to conduct the electricity by the help of battery, and electric current from the electrode entered into electrolyte, and from electrolyte entered into another electrode, and in this way electric current will be circulate, and this pellet is called electrode. Okay, the principle says that what? When current is passed through electrolyte, that is aqueous solution of electrolyte, it dissociate into electrolyte. That means electrolyte will be dissociate into means break down into cation and anions. That means when electric current pass through the electrode into electrolyte, this electrolyte dissociate into cation and anion. So cation and anion will be present within this electrode after passing the electric current. Okay, that means in the electric, that means this is the when what is principle of electrolysis? When current is passed through the electrolyte, it dissociates into a cation and anion and moves toward their respective electrode. That means after dissociation of the electrolyte into cation and anion, this cation and anion goes to their electrodes. That means suppose this is the battery. This is the positive pole of battery. When this positive pole of battery connected to one electrode, suppose this positive pole of the battery connected to this electrode, so this electrode is called positive electrode, and this is called anode. Negative pole of the battery connected to another electrode, this is called the negative electrode, called cathode. So this is negative electrode, this is positive electrodes. So here in principle it is written cations and anions were moved to their respective electrodes. That means if this is the cation, this cation moves to the cathode and this anion moves to the the anode during the process of electrolysis. This is the overall principle of the electrolysis. Now we will see the process. Process of electrolysis. So electrolytic process रे आमे गोटे इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक टैंक नो मेटल इलेक्ट्रोड नो से मेटल इलेक्ट्रोड इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक वेसल रे डीप करा बड़ा एवं दीटा इलेक्ट्रोड बैटेरी द्वारा कनेक्टेड होते एंड दिस इज द wall of the electrolytic tank. This is electrolytic tank. This is called, this is the electrolytic tank. Total ta, this is the electrolytic tank. We call this is the electrolytic tank, and this is electrolyte. This is called your, these two things were called electrodes, and this is battery. Okay, so electrolytic, we can write here electrolytic tank made by the insulating materials. Again, electrolytic tank contain electrolyte, that is aqueous solution of electrolyte, which help in conducting electric current. So here you see, this is the electrolytic vessel, and this electrolytic vessel, in this electrolytic vessel we have taken a electrolytic tank. In this electrolytic tank we have taken the electrolyte, that is aqueous solution of electrolyte. Okay, and we have dipped two electrodes. This is the one electrode, is another electrode. Dip two electrode into the electrolytes, aqueous solution of electrolytes. Okay, same the thing we written here, that is electrolytic tank made by the insulating material. So wall तो insulating material द्वारा गढ़ा होता है कहाँ ना electrolytic tank था. So electrolytic tank contain electrolyte. तो tank भीतर electrolyte नहीं चाहिए हमें. electrolyte, what is electrolyte, we have already discussed. So electrolyte which help in conducting electric current. So this electrolyte help in conducting electric current after passing the electric current. Okay, so once again we says that when so here we can write the electrolytic tank or vessel contain two electrodes like anode and cathode. Anode, what is anode? The electrode which connected to the positive pole of the battery is called, the electrode which connected to the positive pole of battery is called what? Anode. That means suppose this is a electrolytic tank. Suppose this is electrolytic tank. Here two electrodes are there. Suppose the electrolytic tank have electrolytes. Suppose this is one electrode 1, and this is electrode 2. Suppose this electrode connected to positive pole of battery. Suppose this is positive, this is negative. So when this electrode connected to positive pole of battery, this is called the one electrode called anode. This is called anode. When another electrode connected to negative pole of battery called cathode. So we can write for the cathode. Okay. The electrode which connected to negative pole of battery called cathode. So here also we can write anode is positive electrode, cathode is negative electrode. When electric